Living Trust Administration Service. When a Syracuse family loses a loved one who created a living trust, the person responsible for administering that trust steps into a crucial legal and financial role. Whether dealing with a revocable living trust or an irrevocable living trust, administration involves gathering assets, paying debts and taxes, communicating with beneficiaries, and distributing property according to the trust's terms and New York law. Living trust administration is the process a trustee or successor trustee follows to manage, administer, and distribute trust assets according to the trust's terms and New York legal requirements. For revocable living trusts, administration typically begins when the original trustmaker dies or becomes incapacitated, as these trusts usually become irrevocable at death. One of the most significant advantages of a living trust estate plan is that properly funded trust assets usually avoid the New York probate process entirely. Under New York law, probate is the court-supervised process through which a decedent's will is validated. An executor is appointed, debts are addressed, and assets are distributed through the surrogate's court. The typical New York probate timeline runs from 7 to 18 months for uncomplicated estates, while complex matters can stretch the process to several years. Trust administration, by contrast, is generally more private and can often be completed in 3 to 6 months without court supervision or public records. When a grantor dies or becomes incapacitated, the trustee assumes a fiduciary role and must act with reasonable care, skill, and caution under New York's prudent investor standard. The trustee's core duties include the duty of loyalty to act solely in beneficiaries' interests and the duty to properly administer the trust according to its terms. Working with an experienced living trust attorney in central New York helps trustees avoid costly mistakes and move the administration process forward with confidence. Since 1993, Davies law firm has helped Syracuse families navigate trust administration matters, and you can reach Davies law firm at 315-472-6511, located at 210 East Fayette Street, Syracuse, New York 13202, to schedule your consultation today.